Welcome to Earth's RX Foods, where we explore simple, science-backed ways to improve your health using the power of real food and natural habits. Before we begin, a quick reminder. This content is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making changes to your diet, cooking methods, or health routine. Microwave ovens are one of the most commonly used appliances in modern kitchens. They're fast, convenient, and easy to use. But are they actually safe? You may have heard concerns about radiation, nutrient loss, or even harmful health effects. So are microwaves dangerous? Or is that just a myth? Let's take a closer look at how microwave ovens work, the potential concerns, and what the science really says. How do microwave ovens work? Microwave ovens use a type of energy called non-ionizing electromagnetic radiation. This energy heats food by causing water molecules inside the food to vibrate, which produces heat. Unlike ionizing radiation, this process does not make food radioactive. Non-ionizing versus ionizing radiation. One of the biggest concerns people have is the word radiation. Microwaves use non-ionizing radiation, which is very different from ionizing radiation like X-rays. Ionizing radiation can damage DNA, while non-ionizing radiation does not have enough energy to do so in the same way. Do microwaves destroy nutrients? All cooking methods can affect nutrient levels to some degree. Microwaving often uses shorter cooking times and less water, which may actually help preserve certain nutrients compared to other methods like boiling. So in many cases, microwaving is comparable, or even beneficial. When it comes to nutrient retention, are microwaves linked to cancer? There is no strong scientific evidence that using microwave ovens increases cancer risk. Because they use non-ionizing radiation, they do not alter food in a way that would make it carcinogenic. Modern microwave ovens are also designed with safety features to prevent radiation leakage. Concerns about plastic containers. One important concern is not the microwave itself, but what you put inside it. Heating food in certain plastic containers may cause chemicals to leach into food. Using microwave-safe containers, glass or ceramic, is generally recommended. Uneven heating. Microwaves can sometimes heat food unevenly. This may leave cold spots where bacteria can survive, especially in meats or leftovers. Stirring food and ensuring even heating can help reduce this risk. Superheating liquids. In rare cases, liquids heated in a microwave can become superheated and suddenly boil over when disturbed. This can pose a burn risk. Allowing liquids to sit briefly and using appropriate containers can help prevent this. Safe use practices. To use a microwave safely, use microwave-safe containers. Avoid heating certain plastics. Stir food for even heating. Don't operate a damaged microwave. Follow manufacturer guidelines. These simple steps can help reduce potential risks. A practical perspective. Microwave ovens are widely used and studied. When used properly, they are generally considered safe for heating and cooking food. Many concerns come from misunderstandings about how they work. Convenience versus concern. Microwaves offer convenience and efficiency in everyday cooking. Understanding the facts allows you to use them confidently without unnecessary fear. Microwave ovens are not inherently dangerous, and current evidence shows they are safe when used correctly. The biggest concerns are not the radiation itself, but how the microwave is used, especially when it comes to containers and heating practices. Being informed helps you make smarter, safer choices in the kitchen. At Earth's RX Foods, we focus on simple, science-backed strategies to help you take control of your health. If this video helped you better understand microwave safety and common myths, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who uses a microwave every day. Your health is your greatest asset. Fuel it wisely.